Hello everyone, welcome back to Roger Journal. I'm Alice. In this video, I'm gonna share my journaling about the travel I had last month to Porto, Portugal. This is a postcard that I bought in Porto and sent to myself. This is what I do when I'm traveling and found a postcard that I really want to keep. I just journal on the back and send it to me. Usually the postcards arrive later than I get home, unless the travel is very long. So when the postcards arrive, they remind me what I was thinking and feeling when I was traveling. Is there anyone who does this? I really like to do it. So I added a postcard on the first page, and now I'm trying to figure out the layout with the first day photos. It was the New Year's Eve, so we went to the City Hall Square and watched a concert and fireworks. I glued the vintage music paper in the background because the photo is a music concert, so I thought that makes more sense. Then I pulled out a scrap to back the dinner photo and stamped the date. I'm adding music note to washi tape. And I found another scrap to back the last photo and glued the living space at the bottom to write City Hall. This gives me Polaroid feel. I love it. The second page is done like this. Move on to the next page. This page has a song fold out. That means more space to add photos. By the way, I printed the photos with just a home printer, but on glossy paper for photos. I'm really happy with the results. I added this picture of beautiful building on the left page because the sky blue color went well with the pink in the background. Then used washi tape so the photo blends in better. I added more photos from the same neighborhood, which is the old town. The neighborhood was so beautiful. There were lots of old buildings that had tile arts on them. I made a tuck spot with a photo and double-sided tape on the fold-out page and attached a picture of cathedral on the text page. Then glued a floral die cut on the corner and a tiny banner on the right page. There was a hole on the banner, so I cut the page so I can tie an organza ribbon. I really like how the ribbon is sticking out of the notebook. I wanted to make something for the tuck spot, so I made a little card. I'm gluing a label because there was no space to journal on the textbook page. Adding some washi tapes. This washi tape is so cool. It is die-cut washi tape from MT. It is called Ribbon. I love its hand-drawn style labels. I wanted to stamp the date on it, but I forgot to do it. So this is how today's travel journaling is done. I hope you guys like it. By the way, the card on the first page was Subway card. It's called Andante. I love the name. If you're interested in how I made this notebook, I have the process video. I'll link it at the top and in the description box below. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I wish you a wonderful week and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye!